What's up, creatives? Today we are going to be doing my newest Nordstrom Trunk Club unboxing and try on for activewear. So if you haven't, make sure that you turn on notifications so that you know when I post a video. Now, I'm very excited because this month for my Nordstrom Trunk Club, I asked for activewear specifically. If you've been following me, a lot of my Nordstrom's Trunk Clubs have had themes. I've done wedding attire and I've also done vacation theme. So I'm very excited to do activewear. I'm doing activewear because the janky gym I used to go to recently closed. It closed its doors. Now I'm going to a more bougie gym where everyone looks like an Instagram fitness model. And I'm walking in there with my raggedy outfits on from like years ago, like big ass gym t-shirts, you know, that kind of deal. And I was like, you know what? If I had some more cute outfits, I would feel more motivated to go to the gym. Now, if you don't know how Nordstrom's Trunk Club works, you pay $25 styling fee every month and they send you a box. You don't have to do it monthly, you can just do it when you need it. That $25 is then applied to anything within the box that you buy. If you don't buy anything in the box, then that $25 disappears in thin air. But I promise you that you probably will find something that you enjoy in the box. Now, if you'd like my stylist, who I think is really dope and does a great job, click the link down below and you can actually get my specific stylist, especially if you like any of the clothes that she sent me in the past or any of the clothes she sends me today. So that's what I have to say. Let's get to it. Let's try this activewear and see if it makes me want to take my ass to the gym. This is my first workout outfit. So when my stylist sent me a preview of the box, I saw that it was super like colorful and stuff, and I like my workout gear on the darker end of things. But I left this in because I thought the colors were cute, and I still think the colors are super cute. This shirt is very flowy, and these are thick, which I like. So ladies, so far, these workout leggings are thick. I do wish they had a cell phone pocket. I like to carry my cell phone while I'm in the gym, so I do wish that these had a cell phone pocket. I'll do a spin. And then these sneakers were also sent to me. These are dope. They're Cole Haan, so they're already more expensive than probably any sneakers I have in my closet right now, other than like my Nikes. But what I like about these is I was looking for sneakers to take traveling with me and, you know, look cute in pictures, but also are very comfortable. And so far, these feel very comfortable. So we'll see if they make it. I got these shades and I have some more shades that you're gonna see throughout the show today, but look at this. Yes, you can get accessories in shades. I know you see my whole camera probably set up inside the sunglasses, yes? But that's okay. I've been on the lookout for sunglasses, so it's kind of cool that my stylist can just send me some designer frames. I try them on at home, send them back if I don't like them, or, you know, see if I really want to take the plunge and buy some designer sunglasses. This is the shirt that came. Don't love it. I like the soft material and it flows, but it fits kind of blousy and muumuu-esque for a workout shirt to me. The back is open, which is kind of like ooh la la, but then the front is like, meh. It's like front and then like ooh, like front. I usually like open back shirts, but this one, just cause it has these like wings, like an apron, like I'm gonna cook you something, I'm not that down. And also this design kind of reminds me of a pizza, and I don't wanna be working out and thinking of pizza, you know what I mean? I'm hungry if I think of pizza. So I don't want my shirt to be like reminding me of what I really wanna do. But that is this shirt, and I'll give it a spin. And that's the white shirt. These sunglasses came if you want to look like, you know, you pulling someone over because they just sped through some stoplight. Yeah, you feel authority like this. These are cute. These aren't designer, so these are a more affordable brand. Again, they're UV protected, but they are very stylish, good for the gram. All reflective and cute, and being Bali like, hey. So those are the sunglasses that they sent. This is the next number. I love this outfit. I actually like this tank top. Okay, this tank top is a designer that I see like Gabrielle Union and them wearing. I'm like, I can't afford that, but maybe I can now. It is super soft, and I would actually keep this. If I do choose this would look really cute over jeans. It's not, I feel like it doesn't have to just be a workout outfit. So I do like this material. Love the leggings. Well, I don't know why you know when you forget what they're called, you don't work out enough. I love the leggings because they have the cell phone pocket, because I listen to music from my cell phone, so when I'm doing weights and stuff, I like to have it handy, I like to have it on me. And then these Adidas, I mean, I feel like I'm posing now. Like, should I just change my Instagram to a fitness page? Because that's what these shoes make me feel like. I do love these shoes, like walking on clouds. In another world, I'm a sneakerhead. But usually it's just that I can't justify paying the same amount for sneakers as I do my heels. They sent these glasses. These are not as designer as the first pair, but I really like them in their UV protection as well. And this is what they look like when I put them on. So if you're not ready to invest in sunglasses, but you need that UV protection, you know what I'm saying? These were a good choice. And they can send you sunglasses if you haven't noticed. And don't worry, I'm going to put down below all of the designers and everything that was in my box so you can go find it out in the world if you decide that you want any of these pieces. And let's go on to the next outfit. This pullover, it's white and black and it's kind of cinched, so it's cropped here. It's a bit hard to get over the head, and I want to be working out and just like pull something off and not feel like I might get like suffocated by it. Also, it doesn't really cover anything. It's one of those, and I'm just like not ready for that life yet. I'm already sweating a little bit, but I like cover me or be loose and cropped so that I can pull you off really easily. But this is the cropped sweater number. I kind of just wish it was a zip up hoodie situation. This Reebok, no, just kidding. Adidas fail. This Adidas number is something that I would usually work out in. It's like a big kind of oversized looking, like it's, even if you get your size, it's oversized. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And I'm not gonna probably pick something like this just because I do take Pilates and yoga sometimes, and shirts like this just fall all the way down and then you're showing everyone your goodies. And the whole class is everybody gets to see. So it's like the baggy thing's cool until you're like doing downward dog and it's like, oh, there go my titties. But anyway, you can bleep out titties. Is titties a bad word? Well, you're doing downward dog and then you're showing everybody everything. I'm a little battle of the logos. I'm wearing two competing brands. I have this Adidas shirt on, and then these are some Nike dry fit leggings that she sent me. I usually don't like clashing like this. Like, I'm either, my whole outfit is one brand, it's matching, or I'm like janky, half janky, off brand, and then one on brand thing. But I don't usually clash like this. But these are the leggings. I like that they have the cell phone pocket, which we talk about. Also, shout out to my stylist. Every pair of leggings that she has sent me have not been see-through. They've been thick, so I don't, like, you might see my panty lines, but everybody sees my panty lines. That's what you get when you wear like granny panties to the gym. But hey, I'm going for comfort. I'm already at the gym. I'm already not comfortable. Let me be comfortable somewhere else. So, but you don't see through it like you don't see butt crack and stuff. That's good. So, that is the dry fit Nikes, which you'll see in another outfit anyway, so if you need a closer look, you'll see it in a second. And then the Adidas. I have a Nike crop top. This actually comes in like a white with an 80s kind of 90s vibe. 80s and 90s, two separate different things. A 90s vibe. I switched it to black and white because that's just more of my style. And yes, you can actually, when you're previewing your trunk, if something comes in a different color, you can switch it out. So this comes in white, this color, and a different color, and I switched it out. So you can do that. And it goes really well with the Nike leggings right here. So this is a cute outfit if you just want to matchy match. And yeah, so that's the Nike crop top. Just a basic crop top to work out in and feel like, ooh, I'm cute, look at me, Nike. That's it for my Nordstrom's Trunk Club activewear edition. I hope that you enjoyed it. I have no idea what I'm going to pick, so let me know down below which activewear items I should stick with and go to the gym and look cute. And again, if you want my stylist, the link is down below. You can get my stylist. You can be like, hey, hook me up with the boxes that you send Tiffy, or I like this that Tiffy had, and she will hook you up. She's great. And that's pretty much it. That's all I gotta say. So if you like this video, make sure that you share it, like, subscribe, and comment below. Again, let me know which outfit I should pick, and I will see you next time. Stay creative.